When Luke reached out, his website was stuck showing a default placeholder instead of his freshly uploaded homepage. I jumped in to investigate his DNS configurations and server routing, running diagnostic checks to trace where the connection was caching. While a brief back-end timeout temporarily masked the root folder, I kept working the problem, systematically verifying the server IP and open web ports. Just as we isolated the path, the server caught up with the updates, and his live layout popped up beautifully. I confirmed everything was perfectly synced and stable, turning a confusing caching glitch into a total win in under 20 minutes.